Welcome. You can begin by watching this short animated video the way you normally look outward at a screen. Now, allow this meditation video to help you turn your awareness around, to look within. You may have done a meditation before where you focus on one thing, like a candle, your breath, or a word in your mind. Here, we'll start with a neutral word in order to give your thinking mind a simple task to occupy it. First, we'll focus on a word, then shift to be interested in the space between the words, and then discover our naturally awake mind through the gap between the thoughts. So begin by slowly repeating this word in your mind. Blah. Notice the word blah can move from left to right, or you may hear blah appear and disappear. Blah. 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 Now, shift to become aware of the thought-free space in between the words. Space. 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 Be interested in the silent, objectless, restful space. And now, become aware that the space is not just a gap, but the space itself is aware, like you're aware from the space, with no particular point of view. Blah. Aware space. Blah. Awake space. Blah. Awareness. As you let go of the word, let go of being aware from one location. Be aware of the space from spacious awareness. You may begin to notice that the space between and around the words is the same continuous field of awareness that you're aware from. Feel your mind not as a solid thing, but as a clear, open field of intelligence. Feel thoughts and emotions arising like effervescent bubbles of sensation, playfully dancing within the vast, spacious mind. What's it like to have your mind be everywhere and nowhere and here? Notice the ease and natural welcoming of all experiences that arise from the flow of spacious, awake awareness.